Hey there, do you need to present your PowerPoint presentation during a Zoom meeting? Well, let me help you on how to share it smoothly like a pro. So, first, you need to open your PowerPoint presentation. I already have my PowerPoint here, so you can just click open your PowerPoint and then create a presentation. I'll use what I already have in my PowerPoint, and the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to Zoom. So let's say, for example, you haven't yet opened your Zoom. You can click Zoom Workplace and then join the meeting. I'll show you how it goes. All right, so let's try a new meeting, for example. Make sure that your audio and your video are working so you can check here which audio you're going to use and then the camera as well. Then you can click Start. And here is how it goes. So I am going to share my screen. So you have to go to click share. Then you look for the application windows that are open. I'm going to choose this PowerPoint presentation I have right here, and I'm going to click share. As you can see, I'm already sharing my screen. Every time I move and change to another, it will show on my screen. So here, and that's it. That's how easy it is to share your screen for a PowerPoint presentation during a Zoom meeting. If you would like to know more about other tech tips, just let me know and I'll create more videos. That's it for now.